Houston, Texas was creating one of the most unique sounds hip-hop ever heard. Houston's rap scene began gaining national attention in the late 1980s with the Ghetto Boys, made up of Scarface, Willie D, and Bushwick Bill. Scarface emerged as one of hip-hop's greatest storytellers. Around the same time, another Texas duo was making its mark. That duo was UGK, Bun B and Pimp C, representing Port Arthur, Texas. But nobody changed Houston sound more than DJ Screw. In the early 1990s, DJ Screw developed a sound that became known as Chopped and Screwed. DJ Screw was also in the Screwed Up Clique, a collective included artists like Lil Kiki, Fat Pat, Big Pokey, ESG, Big Mo, and many others. In 1999, Lil Troy released Wanna Be a Baller. This showed the world that Texas had become a major force in hip-hop. Under J. Prince's leadership, Rap-A-Lot Records launched a lot of careers, proving that Texas had something to say and demanded to be heard. As Houston was putting Texas on the map, another southern city was creating a sound. That city was Memphis, Tennessee. In the late 1980s and the early 1990s, Memphis developed a raw, dark style of hip-hop unlike anything else in the country. While many artists focused on polished production, Memphis embraced gritty beats, booming 808s, eerie melodies, horror-inspired themes, and street storytelling. One of the city's earliest pioneers was Gangsta Pat. Around the same time, underground legends like Tommy Wright III, Al Capone, Kingpin Skinny Pimp, and Project Pat built the loyal following. Another legendary duo, 8Ball and MJG, helped bring Memphis to a national audience. 3 6 Mafia was founded by DJ Paul and Juicy J. Later, Lord Infamous joined, and also Crunchy Black, Gangsta Boo, Coops and Nickel, and others. Their influence can still be heard through hip-hop today. In 2006, 3 6 Mafia made history by becoming the first hip-hop group to win an Academy Award. By the early 2000s, Memphis had gone from an underground movement built on cassette tapes to one of the most influential cities in hip-hop history. But while Memphis was shaping the future with its dark, hard-hitting sound, another city was becoming the new capital of hip-hop, Atlanta, Georgia.